Hello. Now we are going to look at currency exchange. And the method for currency exchange is really just the ratios method, the unitary method. So we're going to find out how much one of the thing we know about is, and then multiply up to the amount that we want to know about. And that will be much clearer once we've done an example or two. So let's have a look. At the bank that we are talking about, €1 will get us $1.20, and £1 will get us €1.50. So Joe converts €130 to dollars. How many dollars do they get? So we think about this and we say, well, I want to know one of the thing that I know about. I know about euros and I want to go to dollars. What's my relationship? I want to know what €1 is in dollars. Well, in this particular case, I already know that. I know that €1 gives me $1.20. So I already have my unitary method sorted. I know what €1 is equal to in dollars. So I don't, in this case, have to do any reorganizing. So now what I'm going to do is, I know what €1 is. Now I'm going to go up to the number of euros I want. So that means I'm going to multiply by 130. And to keep my equality, to keep my ratio the same, I must multiply the other side by 130. So for every euro of these €130, every one of those euro is going to get me a $1.20. So in total, when I do my multiplication, €130 is going to get me $156. So that's my first job done. That is my amount of dollars that I get. Now let's have a look at what Ace is doing. So Ace is coming home and converts $114 to euro. Ace gets how much euros back, or how many euros back? So we go to our exchange rate and I say, hey, well, I want to go from dollars to euro. So I need to know what $1 buys me in euro. I need to know what one of something is before I am able to find out the amount that I want. But I have a problem this time. I know that €1 is equal to $1.20, but I don't know what $1 is in euro. So I'm going to need to get that this time. I need to figure out what $1 buys me in euro. Well, I know any number divided by itself is always going to be 1. So if I divide the dollar side by 1.2, or 1.20 if you like, that is going to give me $1 on the right hand side. And then I want to do the same thing on the other side of my equality to keep my ratio the same. When I put that into my calculator, I actually get a fraction. I get 5/6. And that doesn't actually turn into a particularly nice decimal. So I'm actually just going to leave it as 5/6. It's not doing any harm being left as 5/6. So 5/6 of a euro is $1 in our example. And now I know what $1 buys me in euro. Now I can multiply up to $114 to see what that is in euro. And when I do this multiplication, 114 by 5/6 in my calculator, I get €95. Is $114. So that's what I was looking for. J converts, so next question, J converts €90 to pounds and gets £55 from the bank. What fee did the bank charge? Or sorry, what percentage fee did the bank charge? So what I'll do here is, I have a particular exchange rate, so I'm going to do the conversion as normal and see how much money I should have gotten, and then see what the difference is between that and the amount of money I actually got. And that's going to be the amount that the bank charged me for changing that money. So I have 90 euro and I want to go to pounds, and I look at my relationship and I see I have a problem. I know that £1 is equal to €1.50, but I don't know what €1 is in pounds. So I need to divide both sides by 150, because 150 divided by 150 is going to give me 1. And when I do that division, I am going to get another fraction. I'm going to get 2/3. So 2/3 of a pound gets me €1, or put more usefully, €1 gets me a 2/3 of a pound. So I now know what €1 is in pounds. So now I can find out how much €90 is in pounds. So now I can go up to 90. I should mention this is not the only way to do this question, but it is the way that we will do it this time. And when we do that, we get that £60 is the same as €90. So £60 is what we ought to have received, is what we should have gotten based on this exchange rate. If we only get £55, that means that we got charged £5. So that would be the euro fee, or sorry, the pounds fee. We got charged £5 effectively. So £5. So the fee in euro, or in pounds I should actually say, would be the 60 minus 55. So we got charged £5 to change our money. Now we were asked for the percentage fee. So to compare our percentage, we're going to compare now our fee to the amount of money that we actually gave the bank. So our percentage fee is going to be the £5 we got charged out of the £60 we gave them. We gave them euro, but that is equivalent to £60. And as our fee we calculated was in pounds, then we are going to continue to work in pounds. You could convert this £5 back to euro and compare it to €90, and you will get the same answer. So we have the fee we got charged compared to our total, and that is going to give us, well, we can convert it directly into percentage. So to convert our fraction into a percentage, we can multiply by 100/1, as we often do with percentage things. And that will give you 8.33 recurring percent. 8.33% of a fee. And again, if we went back and converted our £5 into euro and compared it to 90, we would get the same answer. So that is what we need for now.